So next up, 7.3, the high pressure switch for the AC system melted. You see it melted right there. So I can get you a little closer so you can see it melted inside the switch. You get some light in there. You see it's all melted in there. So I got a brand new switch and a brand new pigtail. Pigtail unfortunately is not genuine, but so we're gonna try to play a game and hope that this trailer valve is good. I have the AC machine on standby. Looks newer, so hopefully it doesn't leak. Oh, good. O-ring looks good too.
What's the name of that Great Dutch?
Fisher. Okay, look at that. That was actually pretty lucky. I torqued that display. So now this is the pigtail that they sent me. It is only going to use 2 pins. Let me just double check. So it's going to use the yellow and blue. So I'm going to do that, cut it. And we're going to cut this shoulder too. We don't need to use that long. So what I usually do, I take a piece of heat shrink and we're going to heat shrink over this just so the wires don't stick out. It just kind of looks like crap. That's how I like to do it. And then we're gonna heat shrink that all up. Kind of have to burn the heat shrink. I think that's as good as she's gonna get. Okay, now let's go ahead and strip them. I'm gonna put them next to each other. I know it looks a little ugly, but ooh, that was weird. I don't like dropping those. It looks a little ugly, but each his own. Okay, now we're gonna put the terminals on. Okay, it's crimped. We try to crimp them so they don't crack them. Okay, there's that. Now I screwed myself. Let me grab a razor blade. Maybe we might not need it. Yeah, it's gonna trim this. Try and do it without cutting the wires. These are really common to burn up on these 7.3s. I think they run too many amps through these little switches. I've done them on like even the F, I think it was a 650. It was one of the like a septic truck. Had to do it like 3 times because it kept burning out the switches. That's all you can get back then. So the polarity doesn't matter, it's just a switch. Okay, so that doesn't look too bad. But I think just for giggles, red and yellow is at the top. So red and yellow is gonna go to yellow. Let's crimp it, heat it up, and then we're gonna tape it and be done with it. Give a nice little thing. That's why I always give it a rub and tug. We'll come back to that one. That means we're crimping this one at the good end. Let's fix this. See if I can get it. Sometimes you can get them back in. Look at that. Haha, I got that sucker right back in. Let's go crimp it. Damn. Must be a crappy crimp. That kind of sucks. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that again. I can get lucky again. Gotta cut close. That kind of sucks. Let's give it a little trim. We'll grab another one. Try this again. A new belt connector. Just use a little tiny wire. And give this one same crimp as last time. That one's good. Okay, finally. burnt out a little bit. Finally. Okay, let me put some of my stuff away. I'll let it cool down, and we're going to tape it up. Okay, like my little roll of tape. This is all I got left, so hopefully this is enough. Nope. Damn it. Let me see. I have a brand new roll. It's my hidden stash. It's like gold. It's a little shorter. Pop that off. Yeah, it does. That does feed the clutch. The same color as that other wire going to the compressor. I know it doesn't look very nice, but I really don't care as long as it works perfectly fine. This one looks good. Take it easy.